Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. I'm John Siwicki, and if you hear a cat purring today, we've got Cinnamon in the room with us today. Oh, there she goes. Um, so today we're going to look at an update to DALL-E 3. They now allow you to do some image editing, so we're going to take a peek at that today and see how we can kind of modify some of our creations. So I thought we would just start off with a prompt of a new image and kind of go from there. So let's do something fun here. Can you create an image of a robot cat at an ice cream shop eating ice cream? This might we could get some results here. And so I believe this is now rolled out to all accounts, so let's hope I have it. Alright, so ChatGPT is doing its thing, crafting the image. Alright, looks like we're done. Alright, so if we click on it, oh, we got this new kind of edit screen here. I'm trying to move me out of the way. There we go. Okay, so we can save, we can kind of prompt to edit the image here, but let's see if we can I guess I can kind of draw around this. This is pretty cool. Select an area to edit. Okay. No people, only cats in this section. So I highlighted like 25% of the screen. It'll be interesting to see how far we can take this. And we're doing this live, so we will have to wait for the image creations. So I hope it's nice and okay. Hey, it removed those people, made it like a can we go back to the original? You can kind of see the original over here. It kind of changed the landscape-ish of the town, but I got a cat there. I got another cat there. If we go back to our brush here, okay, we can make the brush a little smaller. We can do some okay, that's pretty cool. So we can now, kind of fine tune and edit our DALL-E images to get them way closer to our original ideas, which is awesome. Because sometimes, whenever you do like a follow-up prompt, sometimes it just doesn't quite hit. But I think this could be a neat little extra feature. So yeah, so I think that's about it. So I would say, play around with it, see if it kind of helps you in your journey. But this felt like a big enough change where it'd be worth taking a quick peek at it. So thank you, everybody, for stopping by, and we will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.